Did you know that changing your oil on time can make your engine last twice as long? Today I'll show you how to do it yourself, easy and mistake-free, in just 1 minute. This way you'll take care of your engine, save money, and avoid problems. You'll need the correct oil for your engine, a new filter, a container, a wrench, a funnel, and gloves. Start the car for 2 minutes. Warm oil flows better and carries away more dirt. If you have a jack, lift the vehicle. If not, you can use car ramps, which are more stable. On some models, you can even do it from the ground without lifting the car. Locate the drain plug, place the container underneath, and carefully loosen it. Let the oil drain completely. Remove the old filter. Lubricate the rubber seal of the new filter with clean oil and tighten by hand, without over-tightening. Reinstall the drain plug. Add the new oil using a funnel, according to the specified amount. Start the engine, check for leaks, and measure the level with the dipstick. Adjust if necessary.